What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching a video. Today we are looking at one of those things. It's been all over the TikTok, as I call it. It's been all over the TikTok. It's those vacuum clippers that you use on pets. It's kind of a long time ago when I was a little boy. They had the Flowbee. I don't know if y'all remember that. I'm dating myself, but anyway, it's called the Flowbee, and it's basically a pair of clippers on a vacuum. That's all it is. That's what this is. It's got clippers. It's got a brush. It's got a nozzle. You vacuum it into a little container. So we are going to unbox this thing. We are going to take the baby. We're going to take Winston. Winston needs a haircut really bad, so we're going to take him out back, put him in the back of the truck, and cut his hair with this new device and see what y'all think about it, guys. If you're not subscribers, do take a second, hit that subscribe button. Other than that, here comes the video, and we'll see y'all on the other side. All right, guys, this is the product. It is the 4-in-1 pet grooming kit and vacuum by Labigo, I guess is the way you say it. Let's open the box and see what it's all about. Their motto, by the way. Strange little motto right there. Anyway, you'll have to excuse me. I had carpal tunnel surgery a few weeks ago. I'm very limited of what I can do. So we're going to open this up and see what this is all about. But I do have to say, if you're planning on having carpal tunnel surgery, don't be afraid of it. I did not have the elbow. I just had the wrist. It was really painless for me. I was very shocked with it. Okay, so we open it up. We have a carrying case. We have our handy dandy directions. Hose. Stuffing. This would be clippers, I assume. Okay, clippers with a vacuum in the middle of it, which we'll look at that closer. This is that brush. Which you brush your little boogers, and then when you do that, and you let it go, it sucks all the hair up. This is a blower, I believe, or maybe not. Maybe it's a vacuum. Let's see. It's two things packaged in one. Or is it? No, it's not. It's actually, so you plug it in that way. There's your vacuum. And then for the brush, I guess, I could read the directions, but that would take all the fun out of it. We'll figure it out. I think that flips up and makes a brush part. All right. And this is the machine itself. All right. We will take this out. Save all your packing in case you got to return it. All right. Okay, somehow, you probably do this. Yeah. No. Oh, see, that hurts when you do that. Yeah, this is hard to do with me. Okay, I'm gonna have to read the directions before we do this. Okay, after reading the directions, you push on it. Again, I can't grab with that hand, so it's kind of hard, but then it tilts back. It would be a lot easier if I had two hands. Let's try if I can do it. I'll hurt my hand. Nope. And does like that. So there you go. And this guy also, there's a little clip right here that opens up, and that's where you get all of this out. So this is where all the fur goes. To put it back on, you center it and drop it in and lock it. Our attachments are as follows. These are all just the little clipper guides. So we have starting at 1/8 of an inch all the way up to, it looks like 4.4 inch. No, that can't be. 1 inch, 4/4. So we go to from 1/8 of an inch to a full inch. This is the vacuum. Okay. On your hose, you have two ends. You have one with a button, one without. The button goes onto the device side. The button faces up, and we push it in, and it locks it in. That provides the power through the plug. All right. So our buttons say dust cup open button, which is that, the suction button, and then the on and off button. Let's see how loud it is. All right. It's plugged up. We've got a blue light flashing. We're going to just turn on. Not very loud. I don't think that's going to freak the boys out. Let's see if we got more. That's pretty loud. That'll probably freak them out. So let's put on a clipper and see what that does. So again, you got a plug here, you got a plug there, and snap it in, and there goes the clipper. Doesn't hurt your hands. Sure enough, it sucks it in right as you're doing it. Let's try the other ones. To get it off, you just wiggle it. Okay, this one shouldn't have power, I don't think. Maybe it does. Let's turn on. Very little suction on that. It's enough to pull the hair in. Okay. See if we can do it while we're doing this. This really is not good to be doing on my hand, but yeah. There's the suction part. That's pretty good, little strong suction there. All right, let's see how that works. All right, for this guy, this is to brush off your sofa or clothes. So you flip that up, it brushes like that, and sucks it up the hole. That's pretty cool. All right. Now the big test. We're going to try it on one of the boys a little bit. So we will use this big boy. If I can get it on right. Clip that in. And maybe like a pretty short, because I do want to trim their bellies quite a bit. Let's go with tape. This is like 1/4 of an inch. This is short. This is short. All right, what does that do? Let's see. You know, reading directions is really good. Let me read that. Okay, that's a cool feature. This is leaves the vacuum running, but turns off the clippers. That's handy dandy. So let's turn that off. All right, to clean the blades, just like a normal clipper like you use for your head or like some people use for their hair, you just take that and you'll pop that backwards, gently, I guess, and the whole blade pops off. So you want to clean in there, you'll clean in here, put it back on. There's a little peg at the bottom. You stick it in there. It was kind of tricky to get back in, but line up the little peg and snap it in place. All right, so let's give it a try for the boys and see how bad they hate that. Let me just forewarn you, my puppies don't like getting haircuts. They really hate to get their nails clipped. If y'all know secrets to that, I'd love to know that. They hate getting their nails clipped, but they will deal with a haircut. So we're going to give it a try and see how they do. Right, so we're going to trim this guy. Let's give it a try. So we were going on 1/2 inch. Wait, this is how you turn. Wait, we got to turn the vacuum on. Okay, doesn't scare him. Well, it does a little bit. He's a coward, so. Yes, no, it scares him. Come on, Weenie. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. Look. Okay, he's hard. He's hard. Nope. Come on. Oh wait, sure enough. Good boy, Winston. Look how much it's catching in there. He's scared. It's actually the wind, I think, is blowing. It's a lot of it. I don't know when I need to dump the thing. I guess it's going to be. Bottom line, what do I think? It's better than clippers. It's better than regular clippers because it contains the hair. Winston's a big fur ball, and when you cut his hair, it's everywhere. It's like tumbleweeds of hair in the back of the truck, on me, on the ground. It's just a mess. It contains it into that little container, and you just dump it in the trash. Very handy. We like the fact that as you bring the clippers up and that vacuum is suctioning, the hair stands up to the clipper so you can clip it. So that was a really cool thing. Other clippers, the hair just lays there and you got to take the guards and get the hair up and cut them. This actually pulls the hair up and clips it. So we did like that. We were able to clip his legs really easy, and he is a big baby with getting his legs cut and his feet. He's a big baby getting a haircut. Winston's afraid a little scaredy cat, by the way. So I have to give him a thumbs up. He did good. He's a good boy. So we like it. We thought it was worth the money. If it meets your needs, still got to do it outside. Trust me, there's enough hair gets out. You don't want to do it inside the house. You want to do it outside. But we did like it. We think it's a good deal. It's better than regular clippers. Not better than a groomer, but it's a lot cheaper. So thanks for watching the video, guys. That's our opinion. It's an honest opinion. We paid for this with our hard-earned money. We weren't reimbursed. If you have any tips about how to use the thing and better hold the dog for clipping as opposed to just holding him, we'd love to hear from you. If you bought it and you have any problems, any pluses, put that down below in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board as subscribers. And you guys have a great week out there. Be safe, but above all, be nice to each other.